Hey guys, it's Mrs. Sewell, and I'm trying to share with you how to share a video with me so I can grade your projects a little more efficiently. So you can see I've searched for a video in our drive, and so these videos are in my drive. Your video should be in your Google Drive. Hopefully you followed Miss Mailer's instructions and put the video in your Google Drive. If you created the videos in YouTube, this is not going to work the same way. So you would use a YouTube link. Those probably work, all right? But this is if you have a video in your Google Drive, you're just going to click on it, all right? So now I've got the video up, and then I'm going to click on these three buttons on the right, right? And it says share. Her video is playing. I don't know how to stop it. Okay. So we're going to click share, and then up this comes, okay? And you're going to just type Angela dot, whoops, Wyatt brought, oh, that's my, Angela Sewell. I didn't know I had that Gmail account, at ocps.net, and you're going to hit, and then I don't know if I'll come up in that, and you're going to hit send. All right, and it said editor on there too. That should allow me now to open your video, okay? So click on it, and then it should send the video, or it should then give me permission with my email address to access your video so that I can grade your project and not take your points away. Thanks.